Hello, and welcome to my channel, Taj Beauty TV, and coming very soon, all Taj Beauty. So in today's video, I have a Coach unboxing for you guys. That is right, a Coach unboxing. Now, I know that you guys have seen me review other Coach items on the outlet side, but today's video, I'm super excited because I'm actually unboxing a Coach item from the retail side of Coach. So that is right, I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful item right here. So as you guys know, I have done a couple of Coach videos before showing you guys shoes, clothing, handbags, and all that jazz. So this is my first purchase with the Coach retailer, so it was a little bit of a higher price point, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I have for you. So let's get right into it. If this is your first time here, hey, and if you've been here before, big welcome back. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so let me just share real quick that I actually bought this bag right here in the chalk color. Same deal, I bought it online at Coach online, and when it arrived, you guys, it was really damaged. I'm talking about dust, scuffs, and it just did not look up to par for the price that I spent on that bag. So what I did was I found my nearest Coach retail store, and it was actually in Temecula, not too far of a drive at all. So I went ahead and I moseyed on down to the Coach store, and I went and I exchanged my bag. Now, I did pick up the bag in a different color, and I'm going to show you that now. I have not unboxed this bag, but I guess it's the same one that I was carrying around in the store. So in that case, I actually already seen the bag, but she definitely went and packaged it right back up for me, because you guys do know when the bag ships, normally you don't get all this pretty packaging and things like that. And when I did receive the bag, it was just in a box and in the plastic wrapping. There was no any Coach keepsakes that I could save or anything like that. But let's get into this unboxing, you guys. That was a little tidbit. I wanted to let you guys know that my first bag was not up to par, so I went into the store, and here is the new item in a different color. The bag is boxed so nice, or the box is wrapped so nice. I kind of don't want to unbox it. You guys know I have that problem. When it's all neat and pretty, I do not really want to mess it up. But let's get right into it. Okay, so it did come with the dust bag, and that's pretty much the bag, the box rather. I could definitely save that box for a display and things of that nature. Okay, so the bag that I got, you guys, if you're waiting for it, is the Coach Madison Quilted shoulder bag. And here she is in all her splendor. Okay, so first things first, what I love about this bag is the sleek design. She's definitely giving me Chanel vibes, but of course the price point is way better, but definitely giving me the Chanel vibes. Now this is the Madison and quilted leather. She does have the chain straps. I'm going to get into that detail in a second, but let's start with the outside. So this is a natural leather bag, and it's actually a Napa leather, which is really soft, you guys. Very soft. It's definitely reminding me of their pillow tabby. If you have not heard about the pillow tabby, I will be dropping a video on that one coming up soon. But this bag has a lot of cool features that really made me fall in love with it. So on the outside part right here, there is a magnetic closure, so as soon as the bag connects, it's just going to go ahead and snap. Can you hear that? So yeah, so I definitely love that. So you can easily put your phone in there, and it's tucked away, very secure. It has this beautiful C logo, And yeah, so it's complete with this beautiful C and the turn lock closure. So let's get into the inside of the bag, you guys. And as you guys can see already, that they really did pay attention to the details. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy. Okay, so the inside of my bag, it is highlighted. I know a couple of girls were saying that when they received their bag, the online store showed the purse being just all black inside, but mine is actually highlighted to where it's kind of like a khaki color. And that's really important because, you know, if you're stuffing your bags, sometimes it gets really hard to see all the details inside. So let's get into the inside of this Coach bag. In the middle portion is basically just an open portion, right? But it definitely has this zip pocket right here, you guys. And this one has some of the care instructions. I feel like I can't really show you. Okay. So on the inside, you guys, it has a zipper right here, and I guess you could store away possibly your cards, your lip gloss, and things like that. On this center portion is just an open portion, but there is this section right here that I really love as well. It has a magneted closure. So like I said, once again, you can easily put your things in there and not worrying about it opening or coming undone. It has that magnetic closure for you. And here's this color. I don't know if you can see it better like this, but like I said, it's just like a khaki color. It just really makes it easier for you to see what you put into your bag. They paid attention to the details because right here you have the Coach logo. Right here you have the Coach logo. I'm not sure if it's coming through, but you can see the Coach logo right there. I do have long nails, so I'm hoping that I do not scratch the turn lock system. It also has the Coach logo right here. So I really do love that they really did the full circle of branding this bag. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of body shots. For reference, I am 5'7". I'm going to go ahead and show you how this purse looks on me. Okay, so here's me wearing the bag completely as a shoulder bag, and you can see that the distance is complementary to my body size. It's not too short or too long, and this is just the double strapped going over my shoulder. So here's how it looks, guys. And then I could also have the option to make it a little bit longer by just pulling one side down, and now it's like that. So with this length right here, I could definitely wear it as a crossbody. Let's do that. I think that looks cute too, but being that this bag is kind of on the giving luxury vibes, I'm not sure if I would want to wear it as a shoulder, as a crossbody. But as you can see, I definitely have that option. And then I'm sure that if I tucked it a little bit on the inside, I could probably even shorten the straps and wear it more so as a small handbag or like a clutch style. But I would have to get the adjustments that they have available on Amazon, and I could go ahead and tie the inside down to give me a shorter length, and then I could just kind of wear the purse as a small handbag like this. But I definitely think I like it like this. I think I like it like this, you guys. Or possibly even the longer version like this. So I did hours of research. As you guys know, the Coach brand, I would say that it's more so contemporary luxury, where it's not on the super duper high end like your YSL or your Gucci or other brands like that. I would say it's more so in the mid range, where you can buy a beautiful bag in the $300 to $500 range. Now, they definitely have some products at the Coach retailer that I actually fell in love with since researching, and some of those bags are going for $750. So I fell in love with the Madison because of all the features that I saw everyone talking about, as far as with this cool turn lock fixture, the cute magnetic flap, and as well as the magnetic pocket in the back. This one comes in a variety of colors. It just really depends on what website you're shopping on. On the actual Coach retailer website, they have this bag in chalk, in black, and as well as in pewter. Now, this is the 26-inch pillow tabby. This is the 26-inch Madison bag, but they also have an 18-inch bag, which is about $100 cheaper, and they do have some variety of colors in that one as well. Now, a little shopper tip that I want to say for you guys do not forget to check all the different stores and see what their prices are, see if they have coupons available, because just today I was on the Bloomingdale's website, and this same purse that I bought, now this purse is retailing for $4.95. I was able to get a 15 or 10% discount on this bag, and it took it down to about $4.50 plus tax, brought me back up to around $4.85. But this same bag is on sale at Bloomingdale's for $3.71, a whole $100 less than what I paid for this bag. So definitely do your research, shop around, and see who's offering the best sales, free shipping, coupons, and all that jazz, so you guys get the best deal. Another thing is, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I could fit into this bag, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Here is the purse that I'm carrying today. This is another smaller Coach product. Now, this one did come from the outlet, but as you guys can see, it's super cute as well, and I've had this purse for several years, so it definitely does hold up. Now, all of the items in this bag I'm not going to transfer just now, because I definitely tend to get a lot of stuff in my bag. I have tissues, receipts, a car snack, and everything. So for the sake of necessities, I'm going to show you guys, I have my lotion, my Hemp's Beauty lotion. I'm going to put that in there. I have my AirPods. I have my hand sanitizer, Bath and Body Works. I have my wallet. This is not a Coach wallet, but hey, sometimes it happens like that. And then I also have my phone. Now, what I would say is my favorite feature of this purse has to be these magnetic closures. I'm telling you, because you know, sometimes when you putting your items in your purse, it feels like it doesn't want to close, so you're kind of nervous if it's closing or not. But I definitely love some of those features with the magnetic attachments. And then I'm going to go ahead, and because I was telling you guys about this cool part in the back, I'm going to go ahead and slide my phone in there. All right, and there you go. So that is complete, you guys. Now, the only thing that I'm missing at this point is my car keys. But other than that, that is my necessities in this bag. It did make it a little bit heavier, but definitely not too bad. Definitely not too bad at all. Now, this bag, because it is on the more classier side, I'm not sure if I would wear it every day, but I definitely have seen girls who wear it every day depending on what type of work they're doing. For me, I probably would not wear this every day. Especially because there's no feet on the bottom, and I do not want to disrupt this beautiful soft Napa leather. But when I bring her out, I'm gonna bring her out. But I definitely give this purse a big thumbs up. I definitely want some other colors. Like I said, do your research. There's this pretty green one. There's this beautiful coral one. There's also this really pretty gray one. There's so many colors to play and choose from, but they're not always all available on the Coach side. Do not be afraid to try Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus. Who else do we have? Nordstrom's. Don't be afraid to try those stores. And a good thing about those stores is sometimes they have different promotions going on. I know at Neiman Marcus right now, I think you get up to $250 off depending on how much your purchase is. And then at Bloomingdale's, they're a whole 25% off. We cannot forget about this cute little pillow tab, you guys. They definitely completed, like I said, they went full circle, and even the little tab on the side is like a pillow effect. So I think that's super duper cute, and I just love that detail. I'm hoping that it's coming through good for you guys. But like I said, the quality of this bag is so nice. And that's what I love about the Coach brand and the Coach products. You are able to get luxurious bags that you can actually afford and you don't feel so guilty. So without further ado, you guys, this completes my Coach retail video. And let me just say, this is the most that I have spent on a bag. Like I was saying, this bag retails for $4.95. I was able to get a coupon on the Coach website for like first time sign up thing, you know, they send the email to your email account, and I was able to get a small discount on this bag. But this is the most expensive bag that I have ever purchased, and it was over $400. Now for me, I know my mom was like, girl, you could do something else with that money, but I was like, hey, there's purses that cost $5,000. I'm worth it. I could go ahead and splurge on this bag. And yeah, you guys, this is my Coach Madison bag. I'm very, very happy with it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, I do try to drop videos at least once a week. I am back with the product reviews as well as wig reviews. So I have some other purse reviews coming up for you guys very soon. I'm just literally waiting for them to get here in the mail. But once they do, I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys all about it. Another thing is, if you go into the store, you could definitely get free customization. I had the option to put my initials on this bag. So I think I would definitely, when I have the chance, go back to the store and utilize the free customizations. Another thing is you have lifetime product coverage on your products. That is definitely good to know, that if I do spend and invest that much money into a product, I could definitely go in store and have them treat it for me, care for it for me, and make sure that it's always looking its best. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like I said, if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you've been here before, tell me hey down in the comments. I hope to see you guys in the comment section below. Yeah, talk to me down in the comments. Let me know if you guys are feeling this bag, if there are any other bags that you want me to review. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.